no idea how it's going to show on the video, but through my camera, the sunset actually looks much more beautiful than it does in real life. That's very unusual. Usually through the camera, it's not as good. This town of Texas, this wonderful town, where the eagle soars high above its only lake, we call Eagle Lake, Texas, a great and wonderful place to come and hunt big game, such as deer, buffalo, and all of the other good items. It's also a good dove hunting place, good duck hunting place as well, if you are a hunter at all. Can you do a duck call? This is a wonderful place to hunt big game and small. Let's see, does anybody know how to do a duck call? You can hunt duck, geese. You can also hunt deer. Supposedly they're buffalo that roam around here. My fellow travelers, I hope you are not getting road sick or car sick from this wonderful view, and you enjoy the state of Texas. It is not all brown and desert. We do have green trees. We also have very few fees. Mess with Texas, though, become a litter bug. You'll be drinking out of the jail jug. What the fuck did I just say there? Okay, if anybody understands that shit. Holy moly-o rolling. If you can see coming up here is a train trestle. A beautiful, beautiful train trestle that you don't see very much here in the state of Texas anymore because they all think that it is too horrible to look at. We have exited many miles ago the town of the Soaring Eagle, Eagle Lake. And now we're coming to a town at some point called Altair. It's a place where bats like to get in your hair. No bats are around here as far as I know. But it's a very small town and just an intersection of two U.S. highways. This one, which is U.S. Highway Alternate 90. And then we have U.S. Highway 71, which at the stop sign shall be the crossroad. I do not know if this nickname is a town just within, this nickname of this town is just one within my family, or if it is one that has been given. But it is actually known as the town of the crossroads. It could just be within my family. For those of you who have watched my stories of ghost towns and a little history behind them, these towns that we are going through are not actually ghost towns. They are just small towns of Texas. They are still incorporated as of today, if they were ever once incorporated. If they were not incorporated, which basically means that they have a city council, a mayor, and they collect taxes from their residents. Or at least have the ability to do so. Just giving you a bit of a travel through Texas. And boy, that sun is bright and it looks like it's shining right in your face. I might have to actually edit that out. Probably edit the saying that I'm going to edit it out. That was not a town. That was actually just a school. A high school and a junior high of Rice Consolidated Independent School District. That's what happens when you have a town, or several towns and counties, that have very little population. You must find ways to bring education to them. Entered a community, a small community, where they like to rock out. We have now entered a community, a very small community. Generally, communities are known as that, but they are not incorporated as cities. but they like to rock out on their island. It is called Rock Island. Well, today in part 2, we go through a town called Altair while Savage Brisket lost all his hair. Yes, we are on the roadway to Splashway in Sheridan, Texas, and have fun watching this all the way through. And we rocked out at Rock Island today. So, as always, remember to go savage with everything you do and see it all the way through till it's done. Yes, sorry, I don't want to cook brisket.